an experience of an American devotee, Kate Parker, which depicts the glory of Bhagavan's Murti. So far we had been going through some incidents which illustrated Bhagavan's glory, his Nama's glory. Now here is one incident, slightly different from others. Mr. Lee Lozovic, a very ardent devotee of Bhagavan, he lived in America. He has a huge ashram there at Arizona. In 2008, he had a rock band and they used to go visit places and perform their music programs. They had planned for a European tour for the first time. Mr. Lee and many people had already gone to Europe. A small group of them was left behind. They were going to join them later. So as they were planning for their trip to Europe from America, one day, one Srimati Tina, Mrs. Tina, had a dream. And in the dream, she found her group of people who were going to travel to Europe suddenly being attacked by dark forces from all sides. But to her delight and wonder, these people were surrounded by a golden light. They found themselves in a tunnel full of golden light. And these dark forces were still attacking them from all sides, but were unable to touch these people because they were within the security, the safety, the grace of Bhagavan. So as soon as she reported this dream to other people there, they thought it was a very good omen for starting their European tour. And then they were all getting prepared on that particular day when they had to go. And suddenly they got instructions from Mr. Lee across the continent. To take Bhagavan's Murti with them in the plane. It was a bit of a job because it was all of a sudden, but then immediately they packed up Bhagavan's Murti very nicely in a box with a handle, and Kate Parker was carrying it. As soon as they boarded the plane, they were all settling down with the luggage, but Kate Parker was feeling a little uneasy. She did not know why. She was being restless. And usually she would settle down very quickly. But that particular day she felt very uneasy. And suddenly, the plane was pulled out from its place and the pilot started to move the plane towards the runway. At that moment, they found the whole plane filled with smoke and the acrid smell, the pungent smell of the smoke. And then naturally their eyes were irritated and they started to water and some people started to cough. And they knew there was fire somewhere. Suddenly this lady behind Kate Parker screamed. She said, "There's fire, fire, please save me, please help me, help me." She shouted across the plane and then people were alarmed and they found the fire at the back of the plane and immediately the pilot stopped the plane and then the doors were all open. The back exit door was damaged by the fire already, so these people had to push towards the front door. But somehow they all came out before any serious damage was done to them. Though the plane was on fire, they slid down to the tarmac And then the fire trucks came fast and they somehow contained the fire. All those passengers were saved because the fire caught the plane when it was still on the ground station. Though it was moving towards the runway, it was still on the ground station, so they could save all these passengers before any serious damage was done. And Kate and her group knew, thanks to Tina's dream, it was Bhagavan, his golden light. It overcame the fire and saved all those people, stopped the plane in time before it climbed up. They all melted at the mercy of Bhagavan, and they understood why Mr. Lee wanted them to carry the Vigraha of Bhagavan. Vigraha has life in it. You know, in the Pradhan Mandir, the main Murti of Bhagavan, Bhagavan himself installed. On the day of Prana Pratishtha, Bhagavan was still in the wheelchair. He came up to the statue and then he asked for a little flower and somebody gave some flower, a string of flower, which he himself, he's bent over with trembling hands, and then he just put it across the feet and went round the statue 3 times. He did prana pratishtha, which means giving prana to the statue so that the statue would begin to live. There would be life force in that, so that grace would be flowing out of it all the time. When you see this statue, you will know the eyes are focused on Brahmarandra, but the hand, one hand, is raised as Abhaya Hasta, meaning raised in benediction, saying, "Do not fear, I am here to help you, to protect you, to guide you." So, Bhagavan's Vigraha, wherever they are, we can worship them. Bhagavan himself said several times that wherever his photo is, if you just light 2 incense sticks and wave them before his picture and pray, the prayer would be granted, answered. He spoke about his nama, he spoke about his photo, but he did not say about his Vigraha, but he showed it in this action, how his Vigraha is a living force. We shall appeal. Now we shall submit our prayers to Bhagavan's Murti here